Cue the montage. Cue the montage. Get you some of that.
Y'all want to talk about having a bad day? Well, I got up the other morning after I got off work, and a windstorm came through and did this. All the work ruined by the damn wind. Anyway, so it looks like we get to start over from scratch again, and we're gonna get this out of the trees. It sucks. It's all in the trees. It looks like sticks, but obviously it's all wadded up, bent up. Either way, so yeah, so unfortunately all that work you guys did see, you guys get to see it again. So stay tuned, stay along, watch us fix Mother Nature's damage. Alrighty, y'all, we are back at it bright and early this morning. You guys saw us getting all that junk out of the tree line, laying it back down, starting retying the rebar and everything. So that's where we left off. I'm going to get back at it this morning, hopefully make some progress. I doubt I will, but you know, might as well try. We only got a few days left and we're going to start pouring concrete. So every ounce of progress I can make, the better. The rebar was bent up pretty good. I ended up having to make like a little jig over here on my retaining wall. I drilled a couple holes, made like a triangle where I could put the rebar through and actually bend it back into place. Try to bend it straight as best I could. It's not perfect by no means, but I think it's gonna work. Definitely when it's in the concrete covered up, you ain't gonna be able to notice any of it was bent. So either way, I did the best I could on that deal, and we're going to get back at it. So let's do it. Saw in the last couple time lapses that we got the rebar almost fully completed. Here's where we're at right now. So the rebar is almost completely finished. I still have to do this little 10 by 20 foot area still. All the rest of it's done. We're gonna get at it this morning. My little brother's over here trying to repair all these forms that sank in and weren't quite ready for any weather to mess them up, and it did. So either way, we're getting at it. Alright, so unfortunately for some reason the camera didn't catch the finishing of this deal, so I've got all the pedestals up underneath the rebar. It's holding the rebar up, and we've got the height pins set down the center of the shop. I'll show you guys that. So right here, see these pins that go all the way down through here. They're going to help with the leveling of the pad. The skim board that they're going to use is 20 feet long, so we set those pins at 15 feet. So if they hit one of those pins, they know they're too low and to quit scraping away concrete. So anyway, we're real close on being done with this. We've got a little bit of forming left to do. As far as bracing the forms, we got to backfill the forms, and we're just waiting on the concrete trucks. So hopefully we're not waiting too long on that, and we'll be pouring concrete in the next video that you see. So possibly, maybe some videos in between, who knows. I might do some filler content. I've got some little projects that I need to get caught up on, so maybe we'll do that, who knows. So either way, yet again, if you guys like, comment, subscribe to the channel, it greatly helps out, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.